Someone said that you look bald-headed. Oh, is that who I think it is? Is that Mr. Stinky Boy? It's been a few days since we got a burp. Whoa. Good job. That one came from within. Good job. Good job, buddy. Those are 2 solid burps. Come here, high five. Oh, there you go. Good job. You know, someone said that you look bald-headed. Oh, it's okay. I don't believe it, though. Oh, are you sad? Good job, buddy. Name high five. Shake. Oh, good job. Good job. It's a triple birthday. It's a triple birthday.